Hi, welcome to PowerShell video. In this video, we'll see how to install latest PowerShell version on Windows machine. So there are some differences between older version which is 5 and 7. Before 6, PowerShell has been developed with the .NET framework. From 6 onwards, it is developed with the .NET Core. So it will allows PowerShell to become a cross-platform solution. So it will run Windows, Mac and Linux as well. But we don't get any ISE for PowerShell 7. Here we have multiple ways to install. Also we can install with Microsoft Store. So advantage is we can automatically update in the Windows machine. Also there are some limitations as well. But in this video we will go with the winget approach. Let me copy the command. So PowerShell 7.3 is the stable version and 7.3.101 is the preview version. So let me copy the command to install. Let's install PowerShell version 7.3. Now the PowerShell latest version has been successfully installed. Let's open it. And this is the PowerShell 7. Remaining all are the PowerShell 5 which are default for the Windows OS. Let's open. Let's check the version with the PowerShell command. So you can see it is the core edition and PowerShell version is 7.3. I will post it down all these links below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.